Hey everyone, so a couple days ago we started talking about fractions. So what we're going to do today is we are going to review what we learned about fractions, and then after that we are going to work on adding fractions and then introducing the concept of subtracting fractions. Now, if you guys remember, when we write a fraction, let's say 3/5, for example. This part up here, this top number, is called the numerator. And then the bottom number down here, this number is called the denominator. So we have the top number, the numerator, and the bottom number, the denominator. Now, if I were to create some sort of design here, let me see. To where we have 4, and let's just add one more, 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that matches our denominator right here. However, our numerator tells us that we need to shade in 3 of these boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my red, and I'm going to roughly shade in 1, 2, and 3. So here we have a fraction that shows 3/5 of this box is filled in. So if you were to think of this as a pizza, I ate 3 slices of pizza out of a pizza that had a total of 5 slices. So that's one way that we can look at it. Now let's move on to addition. Okay. So let me grab the fraction. Let's, keeping with the same one, we'll go 3. And I'm just doing different colors so you can see the difference. 3/5 plus 1/5 equals, so we want to take our top numbers up here and add them together. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then remember that our numbers down here, our 5s, our denominator, these numbers stay the same. So it transfers right over to here, and our fraction is now 4/5. So that is how, as a review, to be able to add fractions with like denominators. Now let me introduce to you guys the concept of subtracting fractions that have like denominators. As soon as, there we go, let me erase that, perfect. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm just going to start out with the same number again. So 3/5 minus 1/5 equals, I didn't give myself a whole lot of space here. Let me see if I can zoom out. Perfect. Okay, so what I want to do is notice down here the denominators, those numbers are the same, so they will stay the same. However, up here, the numerators, remember that we need to subtract them. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And then down here, again, these numbers at the bottom, they stay the same, the denominator. So therefore, 3/5 minus 1/5 equals 2/5. So it's very similar to the way that you would add fractions, except in this case, we're going to be subtracting them instead. So hopefully that made sense. And yeah, so the next time I'm going to be assigning problems, both addition and subtraction, working on fractions, and I want you guys to work on solving them. And then I will see you guys on Flipgrid, where you will take your answers and show them to me on the screen. Or you can take a picture that way and just hold it up to the screen. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope that you find that adding and subtracting fractions with like denominators is not as difficult as it sounds. All right, cool guys. I will talk to you later. See you later. Have a good day.